I'll request Mr. Chetan Chawla to please join us on stage to do the honors. I'll also request Mr. Hafiz Sheikh, Business Head, Manufacturing Today, to join us in giving away the award. Let's take you to the next category on stage. That is Excellence in Human Resource 2022. And on screen, let's have a look at it. The runner-up, I thought that the claps are going to be a little strong enough, so we know we are about to announce it. Let's hear it for Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited, Tamil Nadu, winning runner-up Excellence in Human Resources 2022 Large. Let's have a look at the second runner-up here. And it goes to Cummins Technologies India Limited. Let's hear it loud and clear for them, everyone. Thank you. Time to see the winner on screen. Let's have a look at the winner. It goes to SRF Limited, Packaging Business Limited, Indore. Let's take you to the next set, that is Excellence in Human Resources 2022 SME. On screen for you. Let's have a look at the runner-up. Well, it goes to Stanadine India Private Limited. Let's clap and welcome them, everyone. Thank you for doing the honors. Thank you. For the next category, that is Excellence in Operations 2022 Large, to do the honors to give away the award, I'd like to invite on stage Viral Shah to please join us on stage. I'd also like to invite on stage Mr. Samir Patkule to please join us in doing the honors. Can we clap and welcome them, everybody? Let's take you to the next category on screen. Let's clap and welcome Classic Industries and Exports Limited, Pune. Everybody, loud and clear, let's hear it for them. Excellence in Human Resource 2022 SME, winning the award, Classic Industries and Exports Limited, Pune.